PBM family, I am en route to Tryon International, I-85 South, the new location of the one and only Prepper Camp 2026. August 14th, 15th, and 16th, I will be there teaching the home-based business. Start your home-based business. You'll have my class and 60-plus classes to enjoy. A brand new facility. We're going to go see what it looks like. We're going to go see the restaurants. We're going to go see the whole lay of the land, man. I can't wait. I'm meeting Rick Austin there. And we're going to walk through. I'm going to film it all. You're going to see it all. And then I'm going to see you at Prepper Camp 2026, right?
The buses and the trolleys will be taking people through here.
So how do you guys feel? That's the real question.
Nervous.
Yeah?
Yeah, because people don't understand. And how do you convey bigger and better?
Yeah, I mean, even having seen it online, having talked to you guys both about it, having visited the website, watched the videos on YouTube I even watched, seen the list of facilities, still blown away, for sure. Like, far beyond.
Yeah. Be excited that, we could actually go vacation here.
Yeah.
You just don't get an idea of the scale of.
That's what it is. That's the word. That tent city location is really something. That's nice. I think people are going to really dig that. In comparison,
That's the first time I saw it, other than looking at a map.
Yeah.
Because originally we were going to have to walk out the strip.
Ooh, and then there.
Like, well, it's going to be hot there. So.
Prepper Camp 2026. Get a load of the new tent city.
We could do something down by the river.
You've got a good eye. I mean, I walked in there and I could just see like the camping location. You know what I mean? Like where you would go with your kids or something. Like, yeah, there's a creek down there. This is perfect. We'll stay here.
He said you can actually, there's a path to walk down in there. And go down in there. So that's all you need. So,
hey, if it's hot, people will be in there, I bet.
Well, it's August 14th, 15th, and 16th. So that's when we're having Prepper Camp this year. It's also often, from what I understand, before kids go to school. So we're kind of pushing that if people want to stay the week of Prepper Camp and make it a family vacation, they can do things like explore the Appalachian Mountains and have a great time seeing all of the area with their entire family. And now that we've got the cabins out there, it gives people the opportunity to do that too.
All your vendors, all your food vendors, the 10 by 10 stand, 5 by 5, you can cross them between them. That way they can get grab whatever.
And is, in terms of setting up, is there going to be feeding for people too? Or
100%. So we're setting up on a concrete pad.
Right.
That's
Roger Burger.
The Roger Burger, and you got the, what is it, a turkey wrap? Chicken wrap.
That's
Chicken, bacon,
that's the
ham. Yeah.
Oh, that's the name of it. I thought you were making a joke. Any place do breakfast?
Everywhere.
Oh, every place does breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
This place does breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
Oh God, I bet it's great.
They will be serving every restaurant that's represented will actually be in a food court. We'll be serving breakfast, we'll be serving lunch, and we'll be serving dinner.
You don't have to drive anywhere to get stuff if you need it, or you forgot stuff, or you ran out.
That's a great touch. Snacks.
You should come in a day before, or stay a day later.
Yeah. I guess the best deal is if you're at Tent City.
I'm afraid Saturday morning no one's gonna show up.
I mean, hey,
Party too hard Friday night.
you might be right. You might have to come drag some speakers out.
We found a fantastic venue, a huge venue, which has all kinds of other benefits to it besides having a much bigger space for Prepper Camp itself, and doing the same thing we've been doing for years with our tents and our classes, and great instructors from all over the country, and great classes. We're going to have much more room for demonstrations. We're still going to have 64 classes a day, demonstrations, 4 movies during the event. Everything that we've done to date that makes us the biggest and the best preparedness, self-reliance, off-grid living, and homesteading event in the country.